TSCM and Private Security Solutions introduces the MESA. We use this convenient and portable spectrum analyzer to provide accurate and reliable measurements of RF energy in different settings. With its advanced features, it ensures precise and high-performance analysis while offering versatility for use in a wide range of environments. The MESA offers a range of testing modes designed for RF spectrum analysis, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning modes, mobile bands to scan the cell phone frequencies, and a unique patented smart bars mode. This innovative mode displays RF energy changes in a bar graph format. With its comprehensive capabilities, the MESA is an invaluable tool for analyzing and monitoring various wireless technologies and threats. We use a wide range of antennas and probes available for different applications, offering a wide selection of frequency ranges from narrow to broad. In addition to evaluating structure-bound audio leakage, probes are included in the testing process for carrier current, ultrasonic, IR, and visible light and acoustic leakage. This comprehensive approach ensures thorough assessment of various potential sources of audio leaks within a structure. If you have any questions, give us a call at 678-865-9838 or visit us at our website at tscmpss.com.